Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2016 Buick Enclave Premium Group all-wheel drive, stock number Z7841A. 34,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, crimson red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, keeping you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, seat 7, leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, DVD player with wireless headphones and remote, rear audio as well as climate control, middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, ample storage behind the third row, 60/40 split rear seat, folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This premium group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof overhead, cruise control, wood and leather wrap steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Enclave has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.